In the artificial intelligence world, which is dominated by US's chatgpt, metaai, and Google's Gemini, there is a new player in the market, Deepseek. So Deepseek has resulted in around $500 billion wipeout for the Nvidia corporation. So why this is happening from last few weeks? Let us come and let us understand. DeepSeek panic triggers tech stock sell-off as Chinese AI tops App Store. So what really happened? Let us see. So the drama started around January 20th when Chinese AI startup DeepSeek announced R1, a new simulated reasoning model that it claimed could match OpenAI's O1 in reasoning benchmarks. Like O1, R1 is trained to work through a simulated chain of thought process before providing an answer, which can potentially improve the accuracy or usefulness of the AI model's outputs for some types of questions posed by the user. So it really excited me. Now let us look at what really shocked the experts. So there are three elements of DeepSeek R1 that really shocked experts. First, the Chinese startup appears to have trained the model for only just $6 million, reportedly about 3% of the cost of training O1, as so-called side project. See, they have just tried this as a side project, and that too using like very less powerful Nvidia H800 AI acceleration chips due to US export restrictions. So recently US had they had cut down on exporting AI chips to China. So still they have come up with AI, and that too the benchmarks are really good. Secondly, it appeared just 4 months after AI announced O1 in September 2024. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, DeepSeek released the model weights for free with open MIT license, meaning anyone can download it, run it, and fine tune it, modify it. Look at what they have done. So the proprietary thing of ChatGPT is destroyed. To the people who see the performance of DeepSeek and think China is surpassing the US in AI, you are reading this wrong. The correct reading is open source models are surpassing proprietary ones. So everyone knows about ChatGPT. I just tried to search my YouTube channel in this, and I was not so much impressed with the amount of information it provided me, because mine is just a recently created YouTube channel. And when I searched the same term in DeepSeek, I was really shocked with the amount of information it has provided and the suggestions it shown me. And this is the local newspaper in my state, in my local language Kannada, and it has given a lot of suggestions on what to be done. And I was really shocked with the amount of information it has collected, at least with respect to the language that I normally produce videos in. And yeah, at least it is nearby to whatever we can. So the person that you are looking here is Liang Wenfeng, who is the founder of this company DeepSeek. And let us understand what is his background is all about. So Liang Wenfeng graduated from Zhejiang University with a degree in artificial intelligence. So he hails from an AI industry. He co-founded the quantitative hedge fund Highflyer in 2016, which quickly gained recognition for its innovative use of AI-driven trading strategies. By 2021, Highflyer had fully integrated AI into its operations using machine learning models to predict market trends and make data-driven investment decisions. In May 2023, Liang took a bold step by founding DeepSeek, aimed at AI-focused research in advancing the field of general artificial intelligence (AGI). Unlike traditional for-profit ventures, DeepSeek was envisioned as a platform for long-term fundamental research where curiosity-driven exploration could drive meaningful advancements in AI. Liang Wenfeng has remained low profile, granting interviews only to Angyong, a sub-brand of China's commercial tech media 36KR in 2023 and 24. Below are translated excerpts from these interviews offering a glimpse into his philosophy and vision. So let us try to just look into the conversation, one or two paragraphs here, just to understand what his thoughts are about this AI and his future vision. So we see that China's AI cannot remain in follower position forever. We often say there is a 1 or 2 year gap between China and the US, but the real gap is between originality and imitation. If this doesn't change, China will always be a follower. That's why some exploration is inevitable. He has taken it to the heart because he already comes from AI industry. He has that's his academic qualification. So he has tried to put in more efforts and then make AI for the trading world, for the financial world. But again, after that, he has done it for the general AI. Maybe he has improvised it after chatgpt came into picture, or we don't know. Like from last 2015, this has been the strategy of China, silently doing this and then now emerging as a dark horse. So let us understand his original parent company Highflyer, which actually manages around 8 billion worth of assets, which Liang Wenfeng has only founded it. So Highflyer is a quantitative fund that manages around 8 billion worth of asset. In Mandarin or Chinese, the company's name is equivalent to Magic Square. This is something what a Magic Square looks like in Chinese version. And I also read like it's something like Dragon Horse. Liang went east to study electronics information and computer vision, a field of AI that trains computers to capture and interpret information from images and video data at Zhejiang University in Hangzhou. Along with a group of university classmates, Liang started exploring how AI can be used to automate stock investments. That experience, like he initially started for financial side. That experience subsequently led Liang to become one of the co-founders of Highflyer Quant, which uses AI to manage one of the largest quantitative hedge funds in mainland China. Highflyer Quant grew its assets under management more than tenfold over a 4 year span, from 1 billion yuan in 2016 to more than 10 billion yuan by 2019, according to local media reports and information from the company's website. Over a years, Highflyer Quant spent a large portion of profits on AI to building a leading AI infrastructure and conduct large-scale research. The company said in a statement in April 2023. Months later, Highflyer Quant spun off Deepseek, which launched a series of AI models used by developers to build third-party applications, and by the startup to create its own chatbot. Highflyer Quant managed to buy more than 10,000 Nvidia graphics processing units before the US government imposed AI chip restrictions on China, according to local media outlet 36KR. On its website, the hedge fund manager said it spent 200 million yuan and 1 billion yuan in 2020 and 21 respectively to build its Fireflyer series of AI computing clusters. In a New Year's Day post on social media and Twitter, Jim Fan, a senior research scientist and NVIDIA and lead of its AI agents initiative, wrote that DeepSeek has emerged as this year's biggest dark horse in the open source LLM arena, following the release of its updated namesake LLM. See, it's very evident. China has been working silently over the years, just saying that they are working on quant or finance related AI technologies, but in real, they are working on general AI. Between this technology war between China and US, I hope the companies that build this AI and train them are being more responsible in terms of its usage for the common person, because need is the mother of all innovations. You cannot stop it by putting some sanctions, because that will eventually lead to more innovations.